At Anthony Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric, we pride ourselves on serving our customers with excellence. Our comfort advisors are highly trained experts in HVAC and always put the customer first. Before a comfort advisor arrives at your home, you will receive a call to explain our safety measures and what to expect. On the day of your appointment, you will be contacted when the comfort advisor is on their way so you can be ready. Once they arrive, they will put on personal protective equipment to ensure the safety of our customers and employees. The comfort advisor will sit down with you and complete a comfort survey. This includes important questions regarding your comfort, utility bills, and what improvements you would like to see from your new system. Our load calculation and other testing ensures we recommend the correct size and products for your home. Your comfort advisor will spend the time necessary to educate you on what is needed in your home for comfort, health, and safety, and provide solutions to meet your needs. The investment in a new HVAC system is an important decision, as Anthony systems last a long time. We offer financing options to fit your needs. You will choose the options that are best for your situation, and an installation date will be set. Your comfort advisor will explain warranty information, permitting processes, ordering of equipment, custom sheet metal fabrication, and what to expect on installation day. Once the installation is complete, the installation supervisor will complete an extensive quality report. We'll show you how to operate your new system and answer any questions you have. Since 1951, we have been there for our customers. You can count on us for decades to come. Anthony Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric, the technicians you can trust with your house keys.